Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I'm Dr. Muhammad Zaman Ashraf. I welcome you all in heterocyclic chemistry. Today, our topic is three-membered heterocyclic compounds. In my previous lecture of three-membered heterocyclic compounds, I have discussed general properties, preparation, and chemical reactivity of oxirane. Today, we start with another three-membered heterocyclic compound in which sulfur is present, I mean Thiirane. S. So in this lecture, I discussed some general properties of this three-membered heterocyclic compound Thiirane and methods which are used for the preparation of Thiirane will also be discussed in this lecture. So let's start with some general properties of this Thiirane. So Thiirane is a triangle, and because of the presence of this sulfur, it is an acute triangle. It is also known as episulfide. So if you compare with this oxirane, we know that oxygen and sulfur both are present in group number 6. Oxygen is the first member of group number 6 and sulfur is the second member, and down the group we know that electronegativity is decreased. So oxygen is more electronegative as compared to sulfur. That's why this oxirane, it is more polar, and Thiirane is less polar. The dipole moment value of oxirane is higher as compared to the dipole moment value of this Thiirane. Its value, dipole moment value is 1.66 dB and it's 1.88 dB. So it indicates that these two carbons, they are more electropositive as compared to these two carbons. But we know that this Thiirane and oxirane both are three-membered heterocyclic compounds, and being three-membered heterocyclic compound, ring strain is present in case of this Thiirane. So it also undergoes some ring opening reaction or by nucleophilic ring opening reaction. We will discuss later the chemical reactivity of this Thiirane. So preparation. Preparation of Thiirane. The first method is used for the preparation of Thiirane is from beta substituted thiols. Beta substituted thiols. So we have SH and we have alpha carbon and beta carbon. Here we have substitution. It is alpha and beta. Here if we have Cl, then it is beta chlorothiols. Okay. So this carbon is partially positively charged because of the attachment with electronegative halogen. So lone pair of this sulfur attacks at this electrophilic carbon and replace this Cl. And we construct this Thiirane ring. This reaction is catalyzed by the presence of base, because as a result of attack of this sulfur at this carbon, HCl is removed minus HCl. So it means base catalyze this reaction as it facilitates the removal of this HCl from this beta chlorothiol. And also if we have beta acetoxy thiols. So instead of the presence of here Cl, we have acetoxic group. It means this beta carbon, it is substituted with some good living group. अगर यहाँ कोई good living group होगा तो वो सल्फर के अटैक को फैसिलिटेट भी करेगा और ये यहाँ से जो है वो लीव करेगा, और अगर यहाँ कोई बैड लिविंग ग्रुप है तो आप उसे जो है वो गुड लिविंग ग्रुप में कन्वर्ट करेंगे, देन दिस रिएक्शन इज आल्सो फैसिलिटेटेड. सो हियर वी हैव SH and then CH2 and then CH2. Here we have O, CO, CH3. So this acetoxy group, it is also a good living group. अगर आप जो है वो एसिटिक एनहाइड्राइड की बात करें तो वो भी इसी तरह जो है वो एसाइलेशन करते हैं, CH3, COO, CO, CH3, या जो है वो आपके पास CH3, CO, Cl. So these two carbons, they are electrophilic in nature and nucleophile. They attacks at this carbon and replace this OCH3. So it means this OCH3, it can act as a good living group. So this S attacks at this carbon and replace this OCOCH3. So here you have living group is Cl, here you have living group is OCOCH3, here you have living group OCOCH3, and here you have living group Cl. So it means Cl and OCOCH3, they can act as living groups. So again, hydrogen from this sulfur and OCOCH3 from this beta carbon, it removes as CH3COH, acetic acid. So here we have this Thiirane. Again, this removing group is acetic acid, so it means presence of base facilitate this reaction. Another method is in which we have SH, OH. Okay, so it is alpha beta sulfonyl ethanol. It reacts with phosgene. So this carbonyl carbon, which is electron deficient, it is attached with two Cl, and here we have two nucleophilic groups. Then this sulfur, it can attach at this carbon and it can attach at this carbon, replacing two Cl, and in the presence of pyridine base, this reaction results in the formation of SOCOO. So it is oxathiolane. So this oxathiolane is further substituted with this carbonyl group. So it is 1,3-oxathiolane 2-on. Okay, so here we have a carbonyl group present at position 2. अगर आपके पास इसी तरह 5 member ring हो तो आप उसे जो है वो SO, तो इसे सिंपल जो है वो ऑक्साथायोलेन कहेंगे. अगर डबल बॉन्ड यहाँ हो तो ऑक्साथायोलेन 2-on भी आप इसे जो है वो कहते हैं. सो दिस कंपाउंड व्हेन हीटेड एट 200 डिग्री सेल्सियस, then it results the removal of this carbon dioxide. So it means this oxathiolane 2-on, after decarboxylation at 200 degrees Celsius, it results in the formation of Thiirane. Okay, so here we have this bond attacks at this and then it is shifted to this. Here we have carbon dioxide. ये carbon dioxide यहाँ से remove होगी and we have 3-membered Thiirane. So this is another method which is used for the preparation of Thiirane. So all these are beta substituted thiols. So next method from potassium thiocyanate. So this potassium thiocyanate, This reaction is actually a ring transformation reaction in which three-membered oxirane is converted into Thiirane. For example, this is also known as ring transformation reaction. So this ring transformation, here we have potassium thiocyanate, it attacks at oxirane. So this oxirane is now converted into Thiirane, that's why it is referred as ring transformation reaction. This is partially negative and this carbon is electrophilic in nature because it is attached with oxygen. Oxygen is more electronegative, so it is electron deficient. This negative charge sulfur attacks at this carbon and this bond shifted to oxygen. So here we have S and then CH2 and then CH2. Here we have O. O it will become negatively charged because जैसे ही ये जो है बॉन्ड यहाँ शिफ्ट होगा, ये इलेक्ट्रॉन यहाँ शिफ्ट होंगे, then oxygen it will become negatively charged and sulfur is attached with carbon nitrogen. Okay, so K here because it is potassium thiocyanate and this negative charge sulfur then attacks at this carbon and double bond shifted to nitrogen. We have S, O and then carbon double bond nitrogen. Here we have negative charge. It then results in the formation of a 5-membered ring which cleave again, and we have now negative charge is produced at sulfur. So we have S negative, O and C N. So here you can see that this C triple bond N detached from sulfur and then attached with oxygen. Okay, and then this negatively charged sulfur attacks this electrophilic carbon and this bond is shifted to oxygen. So here we have Thiirane and it removes as C triple bond N, O negative, K positive. So this potassium thiocyanate is converted into potassium cyanate and this oxirane is converted into Thiirane. That's why this reaction is referred as ring transformation reaction in which oxirane ring is converted into Thiirane in the presence of potassium thiocyanate. So let's we discuss another reaction in which we construct 3-membered Thiirane ring. This reaction involves a reagent from pyrrolidine to thiones. So pyrrolidine to thione, here we have 5-membered pyrrolidine and here we have, instead of oxygen, here we have sulfur, 2-thione. So we know that it tautomerize with each other. This bond shifted here and hydrogen from this nitrogen is shifted to sulfur. So thione आप tautomeric इसका structure जो है वो यहाँ लिख सकते हैं. So this as such is nucleophilic in nature. It reacts with CO. So this alpha bromo diethyl malonate, we know that this carbon is electrophilic in nature because it attached with 2 electron withdrawing These ester group are carbonyl group. So these two carbonyl groups, they make this carbon electron deficient, and this carbon, it undergoes nucleophilic substitution reaction, because here we have a good leaving group, bromo is present. So these pi electrons attacks at this alpha carbon and Br is removed. Here we have N double bond and S, then we have CH, COO, ET. So this is diethyl malonate moiety. So by the replacement of this Br, we have a carbon sulfur bond. So if you catalyze this reaction in the presence of base, then you can remove, because this carbon being electrophilic, it make this hydrogen acidic. We know that जो आपके पास डाइइथाइल मेलोनेट की ये मैथिलीन है, it is referred as active methylene, because the hydrogen which are attached with this carbon, they are acidic, and we can remove these hydrogen by using base. So base, it remove this hydrogen, and we have S carbon, and here we have negative charge, here we have positive charge. So this negatively charged carbon then attacks at this carbon and double bond shifted to nitrogen, because this nitrogen donates its lone pair to facilitate the attack of this pi electrons at alpha carbon. So here we have pyrrolidine moiety, and then we have S, and then we have this carbon. So here we have 3-membered ring. So this carbon is attached with this ethoxy groups, these two ester groups. So here we can construct a Thiirane ring on this molecule. So this is another way in which we can construct this Thiirane ring on this compound, and this carbon is spiro carbon. So we can construct these ring by following this reaction. So it means we can prepare Thiirane starting with beta substituted thiols. So beta substituted thiols, for example, beta halothiols or beta acetoxy thiols, are we have beta sulfonyl ethanol. So these different methods, they are used for the preparation of Thiirane. And another very important reaction is ring transformation reaction, in which oxirane ring is transformed into Thiirane, starting with potassium thiocyanate, and with it react with oxirane. So this is all about some general properties of Thiirane and the methods which are used for the preparation of Thiirane. So in my upcoming lecture I will discuss the chemical reactivity of Thiirane by giving examples of the reaction. Thank you very much.